Today's Sourdough Sunday. Today I'm making sourdough discard chocolate chip pancakes. First I'm going to add 1 cup of this Hungry Jack complete pancake mix into a bowl. Next add 3/4 of a cup of water. Add 1/4 of a cup of sourdough discard. Next mix that up until it's combined. Then add 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chips and mix that in. Next I have a fry pan on medium heat with some butter in the pan. I'm going to add spoonfuls of the pancake batter into the pan and let them cook for a few minutes. For a few minutes I'm going to flip the pancakes over and let them cook on the other side. Now that the pancakes are done, I'm going to add them onto a plate and then continue making pancakes with the rest of the pancake batter. Here's an up close look of the sourdough discard chocolate chip pancakes.